The automotive industry is transforming, driven by sustainability, energy efficiency, and new manufacturing technologies. At Sika Automotive, we are shaping this future with innovative low-bake solutions that reduce emissions, optimize production, and maintain uncompromising performance. Follow along with us to learn more. First, we visit with Dobrovoje Jovanovic, Global Product Manager for Body and Paint Shop Adhesives and Sealants, as he introduces the low-bake megatrend, explaining its key drivers, the impact of changing oven temperatures, and its importance for energy efficiency and sustainability.
The growing demand for low-bake requirements in body shop is driven by several key factors. One significant driver is the shift from internal combustion engine vehicle to hybrid and battery electric vehicles. This transition has introduced technical requirements for curing body in white adhesives in the rocker area, particularly for battery electric vehicles. The large size of the rocker, which plays a crucial role in protecting the battery, makes curing challenges due to the cold spots in this area, a major hurdle in a car body construction. Another factor is the need to reduce costs in the body and paint shops. Lowering curing temperatures directly translates to reduce energy consumption, which significantly cuts energy costs in the car manufacturing plants. At Sika, we address those challenges by offering a range of products including adhesives, sealants, baffles, reinforcements, and acoustic damping solutions. These products are designed to be heat activated and cured at lower temperatures, supporting energy-efficient manufacturing processes. By partnering with automotive OEMs and driving innovation, Sika plays a key role in sustainable vehicle production and shaping the industry's future.
Next, we visit the lab with Michael, Senior Department Leader for BIW. He shares how Sika's investment in innovation and collaboration with partners accelerates the development of low-bake technologies.
Our R&D experts have developed a range of low-bake materials that allow curing at temperatures as low as 140 degrees Celsius compared to typical 160 to 200 degrees Celsius. As the industry evolves, the future goal is to move toward no-bake processes. While this concept requires innovative materials and new approaches, it represents an exciting step forward in efficiency and sustainability. To develop our low-bake range, Sika teamed up with leading OEMs. Together, we identified key requirements and challenges for each body shop. Despite the unique conditions of each production line, the products needed to excel in bonding strength, NVH, crash performance, and other critical properties for the automotive manufacturing.
Laurent Branchou from Sika's key account team sits down with two experts from Stellantis, a multinational automotive manufacturing corporation. Laurent Tollier is a Stellantis manager of bonding and sealing materials team, whose one pillar is Geraldine, a highly skilled technical leader focused on body shop materials. Today, Stellantis discusses implementing low-bake adhesives to reduce energy consumption and CO2 emissions while keeping a high level of performance.
Hello Laurent and Geraldine, thank you for having us here today. Stellantis is somewhat of a pioneer in implementing low-bake on a global scale. What is Stellantis' sustainability strategy and what specific targets have been set? What is the timeline for achieving these goals?
Stellantis is willing to become a leader in sustainable mobility through its Dare Forward strategic plan with an ambitious goal to achieve carbon net zero by 2038. At the same time, Stellantis aims to become a major player in circular economy, reducing environmental impact through its green materials policy, which guides design and production. Regarding chemicals, Stellantis is focusing to minimize the use of hazardous substances to protect workers' health, to ensure customer safety, and to safeguard the environment.
What is Stellantis' long-term outlook on the general needs and innovation for body-in-white products from the manufacturing and production perspective?
The target is to support the trends on energy consumption and CO2 emission decrease. Innovations are underway with suppliers on eco baking step. This is to achieve 5-wet situation with a one single bake at the end of the paint shop. That means for body-in-white products could either require no bake or baking at lower temperatures than 140 degrees C.
Grégoire Lepoitvin, Sika's Body Shop Adhesives Product Manager, highlights the role of Sika Power Adhesives in modern body shops and how it enables low-bake processes.
So structural bonding is the most efficient joining technique in modern body shop, trusted by car manufacturers worldwide. Sika Power Adhesive plays an important role in various applications, providing unmatched performance and reliability. With Sika Power Adhesive, car manufacturers benefit from mixed material bonding, enhanced car body stiffness, excellent crash resistance, and long-lasting corrosion protection. For many years, Sika has been at the forefront in developing low-bake structural and crash adhesives. In battery electric vehicles, these adhesives are commonly used for cold spot curing in rocker area. Additionally, low-bake body-in-white adhesives enable OEM to lower the oven temperature during the manufacturing process, aligning with sustainability goals while maintaining excellent quality.
Dennis, Sika's Global Product Manager for Reinforcer Technologies, and Noah, Sika's Global Technology Manager, discuss how low-bake reinforcer technologies enhance crash performance and stiffness while supporting reduced curing temperatures.
Sika reinforcer parts are critical components in the body-in-white assembly designed to enhance the crashworthiness and stiffness. Since these parts are deeply integrated into the vehicle structure, low-bake megatrend emerged years ago. But today, all of our product cures at 140 degrees Celsius, reflecting this evolution.
Exactly. The biggest challenge for low-bake solutions was to find the right balance between product reactivity and shelf life. Today, all our current low-bake products have a shelf life of minimum 6 months, even in hot and humid climates, while maintaining consistent material properties in the whole bake window. And we are even making great progress to further reduce the bake temperature to 120 degrees.
That's right. Beyond lower curing temperature, we are also seeing many customers exploring alternative production processes. In fact, we are already receiving requests for room temperature curing solution.
Yes, and that's a strategic priority for our R&D team. One concept involves the bonding of structural carrier into the car body with two-component adhesives. And another promising concept is the use of two-component structural foam with similar high-performance properties.
Daniel Radivojevich, Sika's Baffles product manager, explains how Sika Baffle low-bake solutions address cold spots in e-vehicle body construction, improving acoustic comfort and manufacturing efficiency.
Sika Baffle features cutting-edge low-bake materials specifically designed to seal and safeguard complex car body cavities from environmental elements. By reducing noise and vibrations, it transforms every drive into a quieter, more enjoyable experience. Car body construction has evolved with the introduction of electric vehicles. Especially around batteries, cold spots are created during the painting process. Here, low-temperature curing materials, which develop its full performance in the low-bake range, are of high interest for our customers.
Acoustics outlines Sika's long-term vision for sustainable manufacturing through innovations such as room temperature curing, bio-sourced materials, and recyclable components. Our last stop is with Jose, Sika's Acoustic Global Product Manager.
Through continuous innovation and strategic partnerships, we empower sustainable vehicle design and manufacturing for our customers. Our focus on future technologies like room temperature curing, biosourced materials, and recyclable components reflect our commitment to the future. These priorities shape our development pipeline as we tackle the emerging challenges faced by the automotive industry. Together, we are crafting solutions for a sustainable tomorrow, one breakthrough at a time.
Through innovation, collaboration, and a clear focus on sustainability, Sika continues to redefine what's possible in vehicle manufacturing. Together with our partners and customers, we're building a more efficient, resilient, and sustainable future for mobility. Contact us to learn more about how Sika can support your initiatives.